Hi, welcome to Slow English with Brian. I'm Brian. In this video, we are going to talk about TV series. I already explained how they are different in this video, but I will explain it again briefly in this video. Basically, we can go to a theater or cinema to see a movie. But to watch a series, we don't go to a place like that. We just need our TV at home. Now, let's talk about series. Just like movies, there are many genres of TV series. The first popular kind of TV series that comes to my mind is the crime drama. Crime dramas show how police officers and detectives find criminals and figure out what happened in a crime. When I was younger, I liked to watch series like those a lot. Next, there are two related types of series. The first is called cartoon. Cartoon series look like these over here. They are often for children, but not always. They often have a lot of funny moments and very colorful scenes. Another related type of TV series is called anime. Animes look like this, and they are strongly influenced by or often come from Japan. Anime is a Japanese word. Just like cartoons, they are often for children, but they can be for older people too, even adults. Another popular genre for TV series is reality TV. TV series like these try to show people living together and working together, and often they show a lot of fights and disagreements between people. Personally, I never really liked shows like that very much, but I know that many people enjoy watching them. Let's talk about one more genre. It is called fantasy. Fantasy TV series often show pretend worlds. They have a lot of magic and dragons and things like that. Fantasy TV series are popular among children, teenagers, and adults. Often, the author or the writers of the TV series want to share a message with their show. Please tell me in the comments below what your favorite TV series is, or what your favorite TV series genre is. You can tell me that you love the name of a particular series, or you can say something like this: I am a huge fan of crime dramas, or I watch comedy series every day. Before we end this video, I want to talk about the word series. Some students think that it is a normal word where we add an S when it's plural and we don't add an S when it's singular. But that is not how the word series works. We always have the S. When it's plural, we have the S. And when it's singular, we still have the S. So, we don't say one series. We say one series. We always have the S. One series, two series, three series. Like that. That is the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.